Hey guys, and welcome back. We're joined here today with my dog Lexi. We're going to do some work in our backyard today, and we'll do some work on the front as well. But in today's episode, we're going to put down some ASTRO PGR. We're going to put that across the backyard here. We'll go through with the different turf varieties and the application rate that we'll use in that. And then we'll also apply some MONEYSHOT in that application, only because it's the first time that I've applied PGR back here, so we're going to get some discoloration, I suspect. So that will hopefully counteract that. And then out the front, we're going to put down some roots and shoots on the green, as well as some three-way. We're going to mix that into the same tank, and then we're going to water it in. And we should start to see some good results with that application over the next 2 days. So yeah, let's go for a little walk around and we'll see what we're dealing with. Alright guys, so what started off as a pure Santa Ana lawn back here has slowly been taken over by kikuyu. You've got another lot of kikuyu here. It's a bit of rye, a bit of fescue. There's a plot out here from the green. So there's bits of everything. It's all Kentucky bluegrass down this here, only because that gets the least sun, and I've found that the Kentucky bluegrass spreads nicely into those areas, so that's starting to come up really nice. Have some rye just here, big hole here, dug by that one. It's my golf net. But yeah, so we'll apply some PGR out here today. There was a big reno on this about 6 to 8 weeks ago, before I started at Lawn Hub, so this is really starting to bounce back well considering the nice holes. But yeah, this bit of kikuyu here is just going nuts, so we'll get some PGR down. Because this is the first time I'm applying ASTRO out the back here, I'm going to go half rate. It's really important that you do read the label on these products, only because ASTRO comes with quite comprehensive information in the label in terms of different grass variety, even the height of cut that the turf will be at. So today I'm just going to use kikuyu as my turf variety, only because it's the most dominant lawn out here. And that has a maximum application rate of 42 mils per 100 squares. Now I've got about 46 squares out here, so I'm going to be applying today about 10 mil of PGR. So I'll put that in now. Alright guys, and as for the MONEYSHOT, I'm going to be applying that at full rate today. So it's 400 mil per 100 squares, as mentioned previously. There's about 46 squares out here. So we're just going to do under 200 mil here. And then it's best to apply that with at least 5 litres of water, which is what the Solo 406 is here, just a little bit over that 5 litre. So we'll fill that up, and yeah, we'll set the tripod up and we'll do a time lapse. For those of you that are wondering why I'm applying a product like ASTRO Growth Regulator, is because I'm looking at slowing down the vertical growth of the grass but increasing the lateral spread and turf density, meaning I will be mowing less frequently. The reason why I've added MONEYSHOT into this mix is because the iron helps counteract the colour loss that you may experience with PGR. On the green today, I've applied roots and shoots and three-way. I've done this because roots and shoots is a mix of plant hormones which stimulates root growth and density, whilst three-way is a balance of the 3 major nutrients and trace elements that lawns need to flourish and maintain health.